cooked. Yeah, basically spend the entire day at 3 locations, 3 different shoots. Yeah, it was a crazy day, but I just want to come out here and say that, you know, throughout this whole day, right, even though it was so tiring after the second shoot, I've never felt the way that I felt when I was working for someone, because, you know, I know what I'm doing. I know what kind of the values that I'm getting, the values that I'm giving, and even monetarily, yeah, the things that I'm earning from all these shoots. So even though I'm tired, you know, I'm not tired. I don't know if that makes sense for you guys, but hope you guys get the point. Yeah, like, you know, when I was employed under someone else, I always feel like, wow, sheesh, you know, when do I get to go home? And I get angry if I have to, you know, stay overtime or do extra stuff. But for me today, this is when I realize, you know, that I'm doing something that I really like. So yeah, after the second shoot, my energy level was just down. I drank coffee around 8 p.m. just to, you know, survive through the last shoot. Finish around 10 p.m. and now it's like 12 when I get home. But yeah, so yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll just end of the vlog here first, because tomorrow is another long day of shoot, but tomorrow is gonna be a fun one. It's for my own podcast, and yeah, something exciting that I've been wanting to do. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. So I've got exactly 30 minutes to run 5 km because I have to attend a meeting which is gonna make me some money. So yeah, let's finish this 5 km in 30 minutes. Hello. Killing me. What? Thought it was gonna rain. Made it. 3 km mark. The sun comes out and died it.
One thing to take note of when it comes to recommendations, when you have Sean recommend Mary to you, right? You want to have as high a probability of having
All those instructions.
Into Thailand.
Yeah.
One of y'all can say
That one we already said it.
Oh, y'all say
Yeah,
it.
we said we say like a lot of people are going to Thailand, Singapore. We say then why would I wanna? I asked him why would I wanna go to Dubai, because it's like very far. Because those Thailand and Singapore is like very near to us, right?
Correct.
Yeah, that's that one we covered already.
Okay, but what?
Separate. Like talking head, yeah, alone. Because if we do that here, right, it will be very
Salesy.
yeah, and the whole idea. All right, just finished a podcast shoot here at a friend house.
Brewing big.
Doing big,
Brewing something new.
brewing big, and doing big as well.
Doing big.
Done. So that look. Alright, so yeah, these few days I haven't been able to vlog or document properly because yeah, like I said, we're doing like 2, 3, 4 shoots a day and it gets really tiring. So yeah, there's not much clips. It's just that, you know, a few shots of me at the location doing something, right? So but anyway, I wanna take this chance to share with you guys how things are so far and how we started this marketing agency, right? So okay, let me just just share with you how things are so far. I think we are getting the momentum right. We are doing, I would say, a good job, because we are slowly attracting, customers, a lot of clients, a lot of referrals as well. And yeah, the business is slowly growing. That's one thing, that's for sure. And me and Marcus were talking about how we can scale this up, because I think we are in a position where we have to start thinking about scaling the company, and start hiring people, start training people at the same time. So yeah, that's where we are at right now, so far after 6 months. And how I started off all this is just because of one friend. She goes by the name of Ellie. And yeah, Ellie, if you're watching this, or if you ever came across this video, I just want to say thank you. Yeah, because okay, the thing is, there was a photo shoot opportunity, and I think she was sick, or she couldn't make it, and then she asked me to go. And then I was like, I've never done this before, right? And I was like, I don't think I can do it, because I was scared, to be honest. And then she just keep giving me confidence, and she pushed me really hard. Actually, she was like, no, you can do it. No, I've seen you shoot before. I think, yeah, you can. Basically, she was encouraging me to go for this shoot. When I was like, yeah, sure, let me just go and try it out. And that was the first time I was in an event, and with a lot of people. It was very uncomfortable for me, but I still try to keep myself calm, and then do the best I can at that point. When I came back, when I look at the photo, it was like, oh, okay, not too bad. I didn't think that I could shoot something like this. That's where I got the confidence, and that's where I started approaching people, right? And from there on, I got a few clients of my own. And then after that, I met Marcus, and then he was like, hey bro, let's do this. Let's do this properly, set up a company, do everything right. And yeah, back then we didn't have any. I didn't have any more. I think I only had one marketing client that I have. And then he was like, you can keep that for yourself. We are going to build something new, something exciting. And after 6 months, this is where we are now. And I'm really, really thankful that we are doing this right now. And yeah, we're all in it. So yeah, that is the story. Hopefully this is something that will grow in a few months time to something that we aim for. Yeah, so that's the story, guys. Hopefully this story is good enough to cover up the vlog because I think these 2 days it was just crazy shoot. And yeah, like I said, we are getting more inquiries from different people, different clients, and different field of businesses. So I'm really, really happy about that. Probably gonna end the vlog here because I don't want to drag too long, and yeah, so that is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.